Welcome to Best Electronics. Best Car Fridge. This is GBT 3010 Mini Portable Fridge of Achuit brand. It's no need for refrigerants, its low-noise motor works quietly and efficiently. It cools and warms by means of semiconductor devices, featuring dual purposes, long lifetime and low power consumption. It has a hot-cold switch, which enables you to enjoy cold drinks in hot summer and warm food in chilly winter. It cools up to 15 to 25 degrees Celsius below ambient temperature, and warms up to 55 to 65 degrees Celsius. It ensures reliability and efficiency and also includes a built-in fan for heat dissipation. The 7.5L personal fridge is capable of handling the family's entire lunch or dinner menu. It is perfect for family road trips or anyone who spends a lot of time in their vehicle. Visit the description link for price and more details. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.